How to get rid of caps lock notifications on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your iPhone. Settings allow users to customize, control, and secure your devices. Once you're here, scroll down and tap on the General option. In the General menu, scroll down and tap on Keyboard. This area lets you manage keyboard preferences like auto-correction, predictive text, and keyboard layouts. On the Keyboards page, you will see a list of various settings under the All Keyboard section. Look for the Enable Caps Lock option and turn off the toggle switch. This means that the caps lock key will no longer be available on your keyboard. Following these steps, you can easily get rid of the caps lock notification on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.